I wish I had a Gecko-shaped multi-tool tape dispenser. Oh wait!
Introducing a one-of-a-kind product, RepTool, a multi-tool tape dispenser that is conveniently shaped like a gecko.
At just 15 inches from the banana to the tip of its tail, RepTool is able to go just about anywhere.
It comes fully equipped with a roll of transparent annotation tape, an organization compartment, and a pen holder in the form of its tail.
Get your RepTool today on RepTool.com. Binder clips and pen not included.